Hare Krishna, welcome everybody. Yanti yagnam krutubhi yamadrita bhavantam naya vidhanako vidaha saeva vishnu varado astu vapara dasyami amushmai shitim upshitam mune. O great sage, great saintly person like you, being completely aware of the Vedic principle for performing ritualistic ceremonies and yagna, worship Lord Vishnu in all circumstances. Therefore, whether the same Lord Vishnu has come here to give me all benediction or to punish me as an enemy, I must carry out his order and give him the requested tract of land without hesitation. So there is it's a very interesting analysis. Bali Maharaj has a problem now. If he proceeds to give the land, Bali Maharaj को क्या एक प्रॉब्लम है, अगर वो दान कर देगा तो शुक्राचार्य दुखी हो जाएंगे. सारे दानव भी दुखी हो जाएंगे. एंड अगर वो दान नहीं करेगा तो ये सब तो खुश हैं, लेकिन भगवान कुछ मांगे हैं, वो भगवान को संतुष्ट नहीं कर पाएगा. भगवान ने डायरेक्टली बोला मेरे को ये दो, तो अब उनको संतुष्ट करना है तो दो. तो अब उसके बाद तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया. अब क्या करेंगे ऐसे में? तो बलि महाराज बहुत बड़े अथॉरिटी हैं, उनको महाजना बोला जाता है. महाजनो ये नहीं कहता सपंतहा. प्रहलाद महाराज को भी महाजन बोला जाता है. क्यों महाजन बोला जाता है प्रहलाद महाराज को? बिकॉज हिज फादर सेड डोंट चैंट हरे कृष्णा, ही स्टिल चैंट. Therefore he is called Mahajana. So this is Bali Maharaj, because he is an authority, he is setting an example. These are all examples created. Krishna could have done this in many ways, but he chose to do it in this way because had he come like Vishnu standing, Bali Maharaj तो सब दे देते, वो तो भक्त थे. बट ऐसे देने में बहुत कुछ हो रहा था. वन साइड कृष्ण ब्राह्मण को निरादर नहीं करना चाहते, क्योंकि ब्राह्मण ने उसको एक आशीर्वाद दिया था कि भाई तुम समृद्ध हो जाओ, और शुक्राचार्य की खुशी से वो बहुत समृद्ध हो गया था, इतना समृद्ध कि उसने पूरा विश्व पकड़ लिया था. इंद्रपुरी भी उसके अंडर थी. एक तरफ से कृष्ण को ये दिख रहा था ये बलि महाराज मेरा बहुत बड़ा भक्त है, लेकिन थोड़ा अटैचमेंट हो गया, उसको अहंकार आ गया है. और कृष्ण को भक्त में अहंकार बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं है. शुद्ध भक्ति के विपरीत है. सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परत्वेन निर्मलम ऋषिकेन ऋषिकेश सेवनम भक्ति मुच्यते. सर्व उपाधि, हम तरह तरह की उपाधि अपने सिर में रखे हुए हैं. विनिर्मुक्तम, हमको सारी उपाधि से मुक्त होना है. तत्परत्वेन निर्मलम, और तब मन जब शुद्ध हो जाएगा तब अपनी शुद्ध इंद्रियां को ऋषिकेन ऋषिकेश, सारी इंद्रियों से ऋषिक ईश, कृष्ण की सेवा करने लगे, उसको शुद्ध भक्ति, वो भक्ति उत्तमम, वो उत्तम भक्ति होता है। हिंदी समझ आता है ना? शुद्ध भक्ति के लक्षण है। तो ये चीज कृष्णा ने डिटेक्ट करी थी, प्रहलाद महाराज ने भी डिटेक्ट करी थी। बोले थे आपने मेरे तो पोते को बहुत समृद्ध किया, लेकिन ये तो थोड़ा घमंडी हो गया था। तो आप दोनों तरह से कृपालु थे, उसको देने में भी लेने में भी। लेकिन अगर भगवान कभी इस स्थिति में भक्त से कुछ लेते हैं, भक्त को कुछ शिक्षा देने के लिए कभी कभी भगवान उससे कुछ ले लेते हैं। भक्त बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है, बहुत सेठ है, भगवान उसको कंगाल कर देते हैं कभी कभी। लेकिन अगर वो शिक्षा ले ले, इतना वापस देते हैं कि उससे भी 10 गुना ज़्यादा, क्योंकि उनको अपने भक्त को कंगाल करने का मन नहीं है। लेकिन अगर भक्त को किसी धन से या किसी यश से या किसी चीज़ से उसको थोड़ा घमंड आ गया है, तो फॉल्स ईगो मतलब भक्ति कैसे करेगा? अब तो भक्ति नहीं हो सकता ना। तो भगवान क्या करते हैं, ले लेते हैं सब कुछ, कंगाल कर देते हैं। और जब उसको शिक्षा मिल जाती है, अरे ये तो गलत था, तो भगवान उसको फिर 10 गुना ज़्यादा वापस दे देते हैं। समझ रहे? सो बलि महाराज के एग्जाम्पल में देखिए, उससे कुछ था, विश्व का राज कृष्ण ने ले लिया, उससे कंगाल कर दिया, सबके सामने कंगाल किया। लेकिन उसको शिक्षा मिली और उसको फिर वापस ही गेव हिम सूतला विच इज बेटर देन इंद्रपुरी। और वहाँ खुद एज मेनी डोर्स आर देयर, ही वॉज अ डोर कीपर। कितना हाउ ह्यूमिलिटी इट इज टू बी अ डोर कीपर। डोर कीपर, यू अंडरस्टैंड, सिटिंग एट द डोर, समबडी कम्स, कौन हो, कहाँ जा रहे हो, क्यों जा रहे हो, एंड द बॉस कम्स, यू ओपन द डोर। It's a very humble position. So Lord Vamandeva became captured. We cannot capture Krishna by force. Nobody can capture Krishna, but he is captured by love. The Mother Yashoda was running behind Krishna. कृष्ण के पीछे भाग रही थी, सोची थी पकड़ लूंगी, ठीक है पकड़ो। थक गई, भाग भाग के फिर प्रार्थना करने लगे, कृष्ण जी थोड़ा अलाउ करो, मैं पकड़ना चाहती हूँ। ठीक है, यू कैन नॉट कैच कृष्ण बाय योर ओन पावर, कृष्णा इज कॉन्कर्ड बाय ओनली लव। दैट्स व्हाट बलि महाराज इज गोइंग टू डू, ही गोइंग टू कॉन्कर कृष्णा बाय लव। So now this situation was there, a dilemma, what should be done? Very common in the middle world. So this is two kind of duties we have. One is the duty we have according to the body we have got, and one is the duty we have according to the spirit, because we are not body, we are soul. So we have to manage these two duties very properly. They should not contradict, because it becomes very difficult in this world. We make the two duties clash, become very difficult. So we have to manage both the duty. That is the balance. उसको ले थोड़ा सा दिमाग चाहिए, समझ रहे हैं? एक आपका भौतिक ड्यूटीज़ होता है, एक आध्यात्मिक ड्यूटीज़ होता है। आध्यात्मिक ड्यूटीज़ प्राइमरी है, भौतिक ड्यूटीज़ सेकेंडरी है। जैसे बलि महाराज हैं, जनरली हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं दोनों क्लैश ना हो, बिकॉज हम भी शरीर है, दोनों क्लैश हो जाए तो फिर लोग लड़ते हैं, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाता है। आई रिमेंबर एक लड़का था, आई न्यू हिम, ए नाइस बॉय। His parents were very much against Krishna consciousness. अब क्या करे, he doesn't want to fight. He used to, वो 2 बजे से 4 बजे जप करता था हर दिन, so that at home there is peace. Carefully, he used to get up 1:30, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, because his father also was getting up early. So he used to get up 1:30 something, and 2 से 4 बजे ध्यान से जप करते. Became a very nice devotee later. So the principle is this. We do not want it to, somehow we adjust ourselves so that these two duties do not clash. But sometimes it clashes. Like Bali Maharaj, now what does it do? It's a climax. Lord is standing. भगवान खुद सामने खड़े, बोले 3 स्टेप दो, और शुक्राचार्य बोले नहीं देने. What does it do? It becomes a clash. So there is various shlokas for this point. Bhagavad Gita, there is a shloka, Sarvadharmana Parityajya. And under such situation, give up all kind of dharmas. Mam ekam sharanam raja. Take my shelter, Krishna says. Aham tvam sarapapebhyo. Now what happens when you give up your dharma, swadharma, papa will come. Just like we are brahmacharis, we're supposed to take care of our parents. Our old parents are there at home. You're not taking care. So the papa karma will come. But if you, अगर आप ध्यान से सेवा नहीं करो ना, वो ऐसा अगले जन्म में कीड़े बन जाओगे. वो पाप कर्म will not go away. Correct? What do you say? We give pain and come and you sleep. तो हो गया. You have to take care of all the papa. Papa will hit you nicely. है ना? You understand? We are supposed to do something now. So many relatives are there, friends are there, elders are there. उधर जाने का, उनको थोड़ा सा बोलने का, उनका सेवा करने का. This is true or not? We are not doing. So पाप कर्म is there. Yes. अगर आप ध्यान से भगवान का सेवा कर रहे हो, भगवान माफ कर देंगे. नहीं तो आपको पाप कर्म जाएगा. तो कृष्ण is saying, अहम त्वाम सर्वपापेभ्यो. सारे पाप से मुक्त कर दूंगा. और द कंडीशन इज माम एकम शरणम रजा. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज. You give up all your so-called duties, but take my shelter. If you do that, don't worry of the repercussions. I'll take care of the whole thing. Just like Prahlad Maharaj, father became very angry. Take away. Krishna took care, protected him. Moksha Shai, and don't worry, don't worry. Just do this work. There is one more shloka. Narad Muni. Taktva sadharamam charanam bhujam hare bhajan apakwat pate tato yadi yatvarka badram abodam ishvakim kovarto apto bhajatam sadharmataha. He said, Taktva sadharamam. If somebody gives us all so-called duties, swadharma. Swadharma means that is based on your gunakala karma. You understand? Vedic situation, Swadharma means based on your situation. Your Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Everybody has duty. You cannot sleep. You cannot sit. Everybody has to run. Taktva Swadharma. Swadharma means you have to work. Do your Swadharma. But you gave it up. You gave up your so-called duties of this world. Charanam bhujam hare, and you fell at the lotus feet of Krishna. Just not feeling me falling, but engage in his service. Somebody is asking me, if I come to your place, how many hours I have to work? I said, please don't come. Please don't come. Such kind of people I don't want. 24 hours you have to work. Devotee means he is not calculating how many hours, correct? ऐसे लोग को नहीं रखना चाहिए. 24 घंटे भगवान के लिए सेवा के लिए आदमी को रेडी रहना चाहिए, है ना? डिवोटी मतलब 24 घंटा रेडी. यही नहीं कितना घंटा काम करना. वो तो जॉब करो कंपनी में, बहुत अच्छा ऐसे ही होता है उधर कैलकुलेशन, है ना? हाउ मेनी आवर्स आई हैव टू वर्क. फर्स्ट थिंग दे आस्क हाउ मच यू विल पे मी, हाउ मच आई हैव टू वर्क. ये सब करना है, कंपनी में काम करो. somebody told me, मेरा हमारे कॉलेज में आके प्लेसमेंट में आ जाओ. मैंने कहा आएंगे, बहुत अच्छा हो गया. कोई सैलरी नहीं, लाइफ टाइम एंगेजमेंट. What are the other things the company they promise? Huh? How much vacation? How many hours I have to work? कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. मैंने कहा कोई आएगा क्या? नहीं तब तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा. What do you say? Somebody will come. College you come for placement, anybody will come? Nobody will come. So taktva sadharamam charanam bhujam hare. We are given up our so-called duties, but taken the duties of service to Krishna. Bhajan apakko pate tato yadi. But I took up sincerely to serve Krishna, but I fell down. Pate tato yadi. Such a person, because his devotion was not mature, he fell down. So Prahlad Maharaj, Narad Muni is telling this shloka actually to Vedavyasa. Taktvasa dharamam charan, very famous shloka. Taktvasa dharamam charanam bhujam hare. Out of sentiment, he took shelter of Krishna, but not very mature. He fell down, means could not continue, and went back to material activities. That is default anyway, nothing glorious. Material activities everybody is doing. Taktvasa dharamam charanam bhujam hare bhajan apakva tu pate tato yadi. It is said, Kalyuga, अगर आप थोड़ा पैसा कमा के अपना फैमिली को पाल सकते हैं, that is Daksha, very expert man. Very expert man. But Vedic system, everybody is working, everybody is maintaining family. कुत्ता बिल्ली भी अपना फैमिली पालता है, उसमें कोई घमंड होने की जरूरत नहीं है. करेक्ट. बट कलयुग is so difficult age. Even this is great achievement. तो सत्यास धर्माम चरणाम भुजम हरे भजन अपको पते तो यदि fell down means back to material activities. You did some devotion service but slipped. Then the third line is Yatvarka abhadram abhud amushikam. So he's saying, what is so inauspicious about it? Narad Muni is saying, Are, that is the many time people anxiety. अरे भाई मैं भगवान की सेवा में आ गया, फिर मैं नहीं कर पाया और गिर गया. तो नारद मुनि saying, क्या नुकसान है, क्या नुकसान है? Oh, loss. Whatever done is permanent asset. Yatura kwa abhadram. What is inauspicious about it? Abhudamushikim. Ko arto apto bhajatam sadharmata. And the person who very nicely only did his material duties whole life, Narada will say, what is the use? What is the use of that? Imagine two people you compare. One person gave up his material duties and started serving Krishna and he slipped and fell down. And one person, very nice expert you're doing in material duties, not even knowing Krishna consciousness. So Narad Muni is, as an authority, is another, we are only quoting authorities today. Narad Muni is one of the Mahajanas. He says, what is the loss? What is the loss for this person? And for this person, what is the gain? What is the use? So wonderful. So therefore, Krishna consciousness is so wonderful. There is one more shloka which explains this fine. Devashi bhutat rinam pitrinam na kinkaro nayam rini charajan sarvatmaya sharanam sharanyam gato mukundam pariyutikartam. He says we have so many duties to the devatas because they are giving us sunlight, moonlight, all these facilities, water, air you're getting through them. God is giving, but through the devatas. They are supplying all these things. Bhuta, other living entities. Therefore, Lord Shiva is called Bhutanatha. He's taking care of all the living entities. Devashi Bhuta, Apta, friends. You are obliged to them. Life means you cannot sit. Life means I have a life of commitment. I have a life of duties. What are the duties? Deva Rishi. I am Rini. Rini means I have karj chukana hai humko. Devashi Bhutatma, Atma, Rinam, other human being, Pitrinam, your own parents, grandparents, Shishi Radha Govinda ki. So all of them, you have some obligation. You have Rini. Sarvatma ya sharanam sharanyam, but you take shelter of Krishna. Gato mukundam pariyutta kartum. Then there is no more remaining. By one stroke, all the debt is over. If I surrender to Krishna, if I serve Krishna, actually I have no debt to anybody. It's all taken care. So the principally devotee knows this. Bali Maharaj also knows this. And now what do? In front is Guru telling, don't surrender to Krishna. And Krishna is saying, surrender. What I should do? Very difficult situation. Correct? And not only that, you see, we don't find any discourteousness in the mouth of Bali Maharaj. He knows much more than his Guru. But look at the culture. Like Prahlad Maharaj, he knows much more than his father. So gentle. Every time Prahlad Maharaj used to meet his father, he used to pay obeisances. Pay respects. Faultless. Devotee is faultless. Even materially, you cannot find fault. Not that he's coming to meet his father, hey, kya bolte tum chapro? No. He is having devotee, you cannot find fault. Like Parikshit Maharaj, was also in an adverse condition, unnecessarily cursed to death for a very small offense. You don't see him becoming agitated, very calm, very peaceful. That's the qualities of great devotees. So Prahlad Maharaj, here Bali Maharaj also, unnecessarily his Guru is speaking some nonsense thing. Don't surrender, but he is full of culture. Prabhupada is saying that Krishna within his heart is giving him intelligence to speak equivocally. Equivocally means he is saying, I am a grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. How can I lie? I already told no, I give him. See, he is speaking in a way to convince him. It's not that he says, hey, tumko kuch malum nahi, no. And he's saying, anyway, next shloka he says, see, if Vishnu has come, either he will be killed or I'll kill him. So Prabhupada says he has some meaning in that. Nobody can kill Vishnu. But he is going to do such devotion service that Vishnu will be captured in his heart. He'll lie down in his heart. He said, whether either he will lie down being defeated by me. So Prabhupada said he'll lie down in his heart defeated by devotion service. Nobody can defeat Vishnu. He knows that. He's speaking very equivocally. So that Guru bhi khush ho jaye, Krishna bhi khush ho jaye. Kya karo? Dono ko khush karna hai. He's trying his best. And he's speaking so many statements so that his Guru can understand. He's saying that earth cannot take the weight of a liar. Please don't force me to become a liar. Earth says I can take the weight of even Himalayas, but I don't feel like taking the weight of a liar on my head. है ना? Doesn't like. एक झूठे आदमी को मैं उसका भार नहीं लेना चाहती. तो तरह तरह से वो बोल रहा है, किसी तरह गुरु भी संतुष्ट हो जाए. समझ लो. He's trying. He tried his best. Very intelligently and all extremely intelligently he speaks actually. He speaks beautiful statements. So, and he's saying now in this shloka, अरे आपने ही तो मेरे को बोला था कि विष्णु की पूजा करो, विष्णु सामने खड़े हैं. Because that he cannot avoid. Brahmana means आस्तिक्यम. Brahman means कोई भी पूजा नहीं होती है शालिग्राम को रखे बिना. Even देवता की पूजा शालिग्राम रख के होती है. But so why it is? So how it can be done? So the great dilemma he is in. But he solves it, knowing, being a Mahajana, being a great authority, he solves it very nicely. He says, no, I'm going to serve Krishna. And by that statement, he becomes worshipable.
Hare Rama